For the finest service in town, turn to the name you can trust, Advanced Plumbing and Heating Incorporated. Our company is known far and wide for providing the highest quality system repairs, installations, and service, and we always go the extra mile to make sure that we meet and exceed your expectations. There's no job we can't handle, so for all your heating and plumbing needs, let the team at Advanced Plumbing and Heating Incorporated provide the solutions. Call today.